Here's how to install our OCAM side steps and brush bars for the Nissan Navara NP300. Lay out all the hardware and familiarize yourself with the kit. With the side steps, the angled bracket with the joint seam faces the front. Use a 12mm socket to remove the 6 bolts holding in the factory side step. Repeat for the driver's side, but reinstall the front 4 bolts as it holds a bracket in place. Use a 13mm socket and wrench to remove the front section of the new side steps. This is to accommodate the brush bars. Repeat for the other side step. On the rear passenger side, install a stick bolt through this chassis opening and route it up to this hole here. Use the plastic retainer clips to keep it in place, then tuck the extra tail inside the chassis rail. Install the second stick bolt in the large opening and keep in place with the retainer. Use a step bit to widen the bottom mounting hole and paint protect the exposed metal to protect from rust. Then install the stick bolt with the retainer in the same process. For the front passenger side, repeat the same process with the stick bolts in these locations. Repeat the same process for the driver's side as well, except the front stick bolts have easier access from the inner side of the chassis rail. Then secure the side step to the vehicle using the included hardware. Tighten using a 13mm socket and wrench. Slide the brush bar into the side step tube and secure the bottom bracket by reinstalling the hardware that was removed previously. Mask off the end of the brush bar and the bull bar, then mark where you want the bar to sit. Ideally, there should be an even gap between the body and the bar, and it should follow the lines of the fender as well. Use a punch to mark the drill point and drill out the holes. Deburr and paint protect the exposed metal, then install the end cap onto the brush bar. Secure the brush bar to the bull bar using the supplied brackets and hardware. Repeat on the other side. And there you have it, your OCAM side steps and brush bars are installed.